If you've been scrolling through endless tables, watching video after video, and still feel stuck between "I need a real massage at home" and "maybe I'm just overthinking it," this review is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I've spent the last few weeks actually setting up the MYTHIA MD906 in a small apartment, testing the voice commands while I cook dinner, and timing how long it takes to feel the difference after a long day at the office. What follows is what matters when you decide whether a full-body massage chair is worth the floor space and the price tag. The biggest hesitation most people have isn't about color or how many buttons there are, it's about the risk of buying a piece of furniture that sits idle because it either doesn't target the right muscles or it feels like a noisy treadmill in a quiet living room. A massage chair should feel like a personal therapist that you can call on whenever you need it, not a decorative object that gathers dust. That's why I'm focusing on the practical moments: how the chair hugs your spine during a late-night work session, how it handles a sore lower back after a weekend hike, and whether the heat and airbag system actually cuts down the number of spa visits you'd otherwise schedule. Massage chairs live in a weird middle ground between tech gadget and wellness equipment, and the MD906 tries to cover both. Body fit is the first litmus test. The chair's 55-inch SL track is longer than many competing models, meaning the rollers can follow the natural curve of the lumbar and thoracic spine more closely. In my own use, the rollers didn't just bounce off the lower back, they actually traced the dip where my lumbar lordosis sits, giving a deeper kneading that felt like a therapist's fingers sliding along a sore spot. The air pressure system in the shoulders, arms, and calves is also spread over a fairly wide area, which prevents that pinch point feeling you sometimes get with cheaper chairs that concentrate pressure in one spot. Intensity and control are where the MD906 tries to stand out. The chair offers both auto presets and a manual dial for speed and roller strength. What I found most useful was the stretching massage mode. When you activate it, the backrest gently tilts while the leg rest lifts, and the airbags inflate in a synchronized pattern that mimics a yoga stretch. I used that after a marathon gaming session, and the sensation was more like a guided warm-up than a traditional massage. My hamstrings relaxed, and the lower back loosened without any sudden jolts. For people who are new to massage chairs, that mode can serve as a gentle entry point before cranking up the intensity for a deeper session. Zero gravity is a buzzword that gets tossed around, but the MD906 actually lets you recline up to 165 degrees, which puts your spine in a neutral, weightless position. When I set it to the full 165-degree tilt, the pressure on my vertebrae dropped dramatically, and the foot rollers could glide along the soles without my legs hanging awkwardly. The benefit is tangible if you spend a lot of time hunched at a desk. The chair redistributes your body weight, relieving pressure on the discs in your lower back. It's not a substitute for a proper ergonomic chair during work hours, but it does give a quick reset after you've been slumped for hours. Noise can be a deal breaker, especially if you live in an apartment with thin walls. The MD906 motors are insulated fairly well. The rollers hum at a level that's comparable to a quiet dishwasher. During a late-night session, I could still hear a TV show in the next room, and the chair's operation didn't bleed through. That said, the airbag pumps have a faint whoosh when they inflate, which is noticeable if you're trying to meditate with absolute silence. Most users I've spoken to say the sound is acceptable for home use, but if you need a completely silent environment, you might want to keep a soft rug under the chair to muffle the low-frequency vibrations. Footprint and setup are practical concerns that often get glossed over. The MD906 arrives about 95% pre-assembled, which means you only need to attach a few bolts and plug it in. The base dimensions are roughly 4,528 inches, so it fits comfortably in a medium-sized living room or a dedicated home office corner, but you'll need to consider the recline arc. At full tilt the chair leans forward a bit, so a clear wall space of at least 2 feet behind it is wise. The upholstery in beige is neutral enough to blend with most core, and the fabric feels soft without being overly plush, which helps with sweat absorption during longer sessions. Who should consider buying the MYTHIA MD906? If you're someone who regularly deals with lower back tension, tight calves, or shoulder knots, think office workers, frequent travelers, or hobbyists who spend hours on a single posture, the chair's combination of 3D rollers, extended track, and stretching function provides a comprehensive